Professional services, basically we are into corporate tax planning and advisory, SMEs advisory, venture capitalists and angel investors, tax planning and legal aspects, and income tax department licensing, which includes handling scrutiny assessment, reassessment proceedings. Corporate tax planning. A lot of people faces with the common issues that you need to be precautious on these aspects. Whenever you do, if you're doing a cash transaction above 5 you should plan your things in a proper manner, because right now our country has been doing an agreement, TIEA, which stands for Tax Information Exchange Agreements. So a lot of companies shares database with each other. So you should, if you plan your things in a proper manner, so later on you could not face any issues. So the next comes to the VCs, venture capitalists and angel investors, legal aspect in planning. The statutory warning, it would be the beware. So I just have a question, Piyush bhai, our fantastic Dhoni. Whenever you toss, either just for batting or bowling, what would be the first step? Either
Heads or tails?
heads or tail. But the VC doesn't work on this criteria. VC works on this, that the head side wins and tails you lose. That's how the VC works. So whenever you get there are two levels of what you can say, that the funding, seed angel funding, it means that you have the concept, you have the right team of people, so people get you on the board of this thing and fund you. And another one would be the series A, build the product, get the numbers and build the traction across the market. That's why the Oyo Rooms recently did and get a funded of 200 millions. And what precautions you need to take, because the VC, the way they funded, it means that suppose if you are holding a majority, but ultimate powers they will take it in their way. In there, even though you hold a majority, but it turns into a minority. There are various aspects they takes as preferred stock. They always takes a preferred stock which is have a